students, welcome to video clip 4. In this video we will be covering the determinant of order 2 and 3. We'll start with the definition of what is a determinant. The determinant is a scalar value that can be computed from the elements of a square matrix. That means in determinant we can find a constant value. For example, in matrix what we can do is matrix give you the representation of data. Now in determinant we can find its value, okay, or scalar value or constant value can be found out from the determinant. It is usually denoted by determinant of a two vertical lines a or dit a. This two vertical line does not mean its absolute value, it is a determinant here. So how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix here? So if A is equal to A, B, C, D, then determinant of A is given by. So this is a matrix. Now we are transforming this matrix into determinant. So determinant of A is equal to determinant sign A, B, C, D. So in this case what we can do is to find the value of the determinant, you just simply cross multiply this two, AD minus BC, okay, AD minus BC. For in case if you have A minus B C D out here, then the value would be A D plus B C, because this is the original formula. This is the original formula. If you have one minus sign, this is going to become positive. If you have two minus sign here, this is going to become negative here. Okay. So remarks out here, only square matrix have determinant. We cannot find the determinant of other matrices if it is not a square matrix. Okay, now the determinant of order 3. So if A is equal to this matrix of order 3 by 3, so 3 rows and 3 columns, then determinant of A is given by, now you simply represent in a determinant form by two vertical lines here. So now to find the determinant of this matrix, you can expand through any of the row or any of the column here. So now what I am doing here is I am expanding through row 1. So when you expand through row 1, we get A11. That means I am expanding through this row here. Okay, so I am expanding through this row. Now before you find determinant, you have to assign the sign to these particular elements. Okay, so you start from the left hand corner of the element here. So this element here, so you give this positive sign here, then the sign will alternate whether you move horizontally this side or vertically downward. Okay, so now if you start with this plus sign here, this is going to become minus, this is going to become plus. So once you give the sign out here at the right left corner of the element here plus, you should have all the signs alternating. So if this is plus, this will become minus, this will become plus, this is plus, minus, plus. So you should make use of this sign when you expand or find the determinant of the element here. So now expanding through row 1 we get, so you can expand through here, see A11, so this elements. So you cover this element here, and the row column here and the row here, wherever it's intersecting, right? So the elements left out, you write it here. Similarly for A12, so A12 is minus sign, minus A12. So again you cover second column here, first row, so elements remaining here, A21, A31, A23, A33, you write it here, plus now A13. So what is the sign here? Plus. So plus A13 here, then you cover up this, right? So and this element is touching third column, first row. So what are the elements remaining here? That is A21, A22, A31, A32. Now you have given the sign, you have converted this 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant. Now you can find the value of this 2 by 2 determinant, this and this. So here, so simply you need to cross multiply here, right? Cross multiply here, and you are getting this. Now we'll go with an example. So find the value of this determinant is given for you. So they haven't asked you to find the determinant. So they are simply asking you to find the value. Therefore determinant means to find the value, to find a scalar value. So now this will give you the value. So you need to find the value of this determinant. Okay, now we are expanding through row 1. Okay, we get this determinant here now. So this is your value here. So this is your question given here. So we are expanding through row 1. That means we are expanding through this row. Plus, minus, you give minus and plus here. So we are giving plus, minus, plus sign here, right? So now when you expand through this, 1 plus sign, plus 3 minus minus will give you plus here. So you need to consider this sign as well as the sign of the element given here. Okay, so plus 3, then plus 4 here. Now same like before, what you need to do, you are taking this element. So this element is of column 1 and row 1. So this one you cover, this one you cover, these are the elements left, you write it here. Then plus 3, so it is in the second row, second column and first row. So first row and second column will go, the remaining element you write it here. Plus 4, so you are covering up this and this one here, right? So you are coming with 0 2 minus 2 6. Now you are finding, you have converted this 3 by 3 into 2 by 2 order 2 by 2 determinant. Now find the value. So 6 minus 30 here, you are finding this value. Plus 3 into 0 is 0, plus 1 negative sign, so plus 10 here. Plus 4 2 into 2 4, plus here 1 minus sign, so minus 24 plus 30 plus 16. So your determinant is 22. So now this is this value I got by expanding through row 1. We can also expand through any of the rows or columns as I said before. So let me try to expand this again through column 1. So now I expanded that through this column, I'm row. Now I am going to expand through this column here now. So as I said before, this sign is plus, next will become minus, this will become plus now. So from here 1, see, so 1 you will get this one, right? This column and this row. So 2 5 6 3, 2 5 6 3, minus 0, see, this will be given minus, plus minus 0, then this one. Now you should understand, if you don't write this also it's fine, it's up to you. Since 0 into anything is 0, so you can directly wipe out this one. Okay, so you don't have to write this. Next, minus 2, plus into minus is minus 2. Then this is in third row and first column, so you have to cover up this, minus 3 4 2 5, minus 3 4 2 5. So you're getting this value, right? So now again multiply 6 minus 30, minus 0 is gone, so minus 2 into minus 3 into 5 minus 15, 2 into 8, 2 into 4 8, right? So minus 24 plus 46, we are getting 22. So this answer and this answer are same. So whether you expand through row or column, the answer will be same.